Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and it's time for the October layout update. Welcome back everybody. First of all, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. So it's October, there's a little bit of a chill in the air, and we're starting to get into that real model railroading weather where we're going to be moving more indoors. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I've gotten done on my layout so far and what I've got planned for the future. So I've been pretty busy, but I've still managed to get a good amount of stuff done on the layout itself. A little bit of a different view for you guys so you can kind of see the area where I've been making progress on the layout. And the first area is obviously the mountain. Now I have completed the detailing of this mountain. I've put some hero trees in. I've done a lot of work on it, and I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how I did the detailing, and that includes how to make these trees that you see right here, as well as building up the area around the base of the mountain. Now, as we shift over and we see more in the townscape, you may notice a new building in place. And that's this little building right here. Now, it's not put together, but this is a building that was 3D printed and I designed completely from scratch in Tinkercad. We're going to be going over how that works. I've also begun to dabble in 3D printing my own rolling stock. Now, I am nowhere close to being able to show you guys how I do this, but I just want to show you some of the progress that I've been making on it. So another thing that I've done, you may have noticed that my workbench was gone. I wanted to add some space, so I'm working on my workbench being able to fold away when I don't need it. And so I'm making progress in that area as well. So for November, one thing we're going to be showing you is how we design that house in Tinkercad. That's going to be coming up in a tutorial. It's actually really easy to do. And then of course, we're also going to be showing you how to finish off that mountain to make it look a bit more detailed than a simple puffball tree mountain. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I've gotten a decent amount of work done, but as you guys know, wintertime is the true model railroading time. So you're gonna wanna stay tuned for all the updates that I have coming up. There's a lot of work to be done this winter. As you can see, I'm really hoping to have this thing functionally finished by the springtime. So we're gonna be doing a lot over the winter. So that's a little peek at what I've been doing on my layout so far. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!